Hi, this is the demo of how to fix ICER square rain gutter to its clip fittings. First of all, just take the rain gutter and squeeze it into the fittings and just press it into the clip. Just like that. Here also, just press it into the clip. In the same way, just squeeze it into the fittings and press the clip. This is how fixing ICER rain gutters to its clip fittings. You don't need to remove this clip in any case. In case if you want to remove the clip, don't remove it from the top. You need to remove it from the bottom by using a screwdriver. Just like this. This is how you remove the clip. And to fix the clip also, don't fix it from the bottom. Fix it from the top and press the bottom. This is how you fix the clip into its fittings. Thank you.